Wait.
Hey, I'm gonna be showing you around my world stuff. Yeah, so it's my nether portal. Gotta love the nether. This used to be my house, but then I sold it because it's stupid. Stupid house. And then I kill this cow because it's a retard, making its orgasm sounds. And this is my Baham bench, no relation. This is my castle up here. Castle, 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 castle. This is Monster Cat's house. You might know Monster Cat. Oh, this is his house. See Monster Cat's house. Monster Cat 62, whatever. Okay, and like up there is his other house.
Hey, damn it, get it!
My castle. And then there's this opening and closing gate that I made myself. And these are my rules, my bookshelves, and then I'm going back. Actually, I'm gonna go back the cool way. Going back the cool way. I'm back where I started from. And this is my club. This is my dispensers. This is my music box. Up here's Fish Taco's house. But I took it away from him for griefing. He was griefing a lot. Pissed me off. Oh, god damn it. Stupid block. So damn difficult block. Alright, so next is the guest house. It's pretty trashy, I guess, but whatever. See, it's kind of trashy. I agree. I'm gonna burn it down soon. This was my doggy house, but all the doggies died. No, I'm not gonna blow up anything with TNT. I'm sorry.
Damn it!
This is my sugarcane farm. It's pretty sexy. Oh, this is Haven's sugarcane farm. It's pretty small. That's what she said. And this is my cactus farm. Mine's bigger. Okay, this is my river. It's naturally occurring from a creeper. And this is the format for my new house. There's 2 trees right here. Then you go in here. The doors. And there's supposed to be, when you go up here, when you go back here, there's a room right there. A room right there. And a room right there. And this is my balcony. Or it's gonna be my balcony. This is my stuff. Pretty cool stuff. Hey. Yay. I just got some gold. Ah, pig. Let's kill it. Let's murder it. Let's murder it with a stone. Let's stone it. Stone the pig. There. Okay. That's mostly what I wanted to show you. And I might make tutorials if I feel like it. Tell me if you want a tutorial, or else I won't make it. Bye.